Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys? Good morning, good afternoon, or even good evening. Depends on when your schedule is. Okay, today I would like to explain to you about the third skill that have to be mastered in order to get higher score for your listening section on TOEFL test. And the skill that you have to master is avoid similar sound. Okay, avoid similar sound. Hey guys, but before I explain to you about this skill, I would like to remind you again about the first skill that you have to always remember, because it is still related to each other, and it is focused on the second line. Okay, even you have to avoid similar sound, use the keyword, it might come from the second line. Okay guys, now we go to the strategies of the third skill, avoid similar sound. Okay, the first strategy is identify the keywords. So you guys, you have to be able to identify the keywords that come from the second speaker of the conversation. And the keyword, it is mostly but not always, it comes from the noun or the verb. So every time you hear noun or verb on the second speaker of the conversation, make sure that you can understand or you got how they pronounce the word very well. Okay, and after you got the keyword, you have to be able to identify the words in the answer that contain similar sound with the keyword. Okay, and then do not choose these answers. And the similar sound, it come from the first syllable or last syllable in any place of syllable. Okay, so just take a look on the page 16 on the example. On the recording, you might hear this one. Just focus on the second line or the second speaker. Woman said she was searching for a new apartment. Then here, there are noun and verb. So just make sure that you know how to pronounce it, like searching and apartment. So in your textbook, you will read option A to D, and the answer is B. Why? Because option A, you will read department that quite similar with apartment. And then on the answer C, there is a word research that it has similar sound with searching. So research and searching. Then on the option D, there is appointment, and it is a quiet appointment that quite similar with apartment. Okay, now we move to the exercise 3, still on the page 16, and try to answer the question number 1. Okay, again focus on the second line. But Sally doesn't have a cent, and the keyword is cent. So on the answer sheet, the answer is C. Why? Because on the answer A, there is a word cents, and then on the answer B, there is a word cent, and then the answer D, there is the answer set. And for the C, Sally has no money. So from this for these 4 words, there is no word that has a similar sound with cent. Okay, you got it. Then we move to the second question, and on the second conversation, I mean the second speaker, uh, the man said no, they lack the money. So the keyword is, it may be lack or money, but then you have to take a look on your answer sheet on the option. There is the clue from the keyword. You have to find the similar sound. Alright, now we move to the last question of exercise 3, And here it's a bit hard for us to find which one is the keyword, because there are two nouns and two verbs. Those are porter and sitcast and call and get. So we have to take a look on the answer sheet to find out which one that might be the keywords. So for the option A, it is important to pack the suitcases. So it has similar sound, or even has a similar noun with the second speaker. And the answer B, they need help carrying their bags. There is no word that has a similar sound with the second speaker. And then the option C, the man should pack his suit in case he needs it. So there is a word suit that has a similar sound with the suitcase from the first syllable, suit. Okay, then the answer D, the suitcases are quite portable, so it has a similar sound with suitcases. So then the answer is B, because from the option B there is no word from this sentence that has a similar sound with what is pronounced by the second speaker. So those are the exercise from the exercise 3.